Hi everyone, today we are doing this Holo light blue nails. They are super simple to do and I love them. Like light blue nail polish is one of my favorites. You want to start by applying a light blue, baby blue nail polish, and I love this shade. It's been my favorite shade for a while, but this nail polish is discontinued or something like that because I cannot find it. I'm not sure why, and I'm always on a hunt for like perfect baby blue nail polish because I absolutely love light blue. But anyways, I will be taking this holographic Flakies. I mean, look at them, they're so beautiful, like sparkly. Oh my goodness, the rainbow, it's so pretty and sparkly. It's perfect for winter and holidays, and we're gonna add it onto our nails, and I'm adding it on the sides in this like a shape, C shape maybe. It's very simple. I'm just using this tool to apply it, and you can also use maybe some glitter nail polish if you don't have the Flakies. But I love the Flakies, they're so pretty, oh my goodness. And I'm applying it while my nail polish is still tacky so that it sticks better. And also this is supposed to go with gel nail polish, but I don't really kind of use gel nail polishes a lot, so I'm always up for a regular nail polish. If you apply a regular top coat over Flakies, it will definitely ruin the effect. You can use water-based top coat or just leave it like so, like I did. I just left it and it does stick, but your nails have to be a little bit tacky. Your nail polish has to be a little bit tacky. So there you have it. I really hope you like this video. Let me know what you think in comments, and I will write in the description box what I used, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video. Until then, watch some of my other nail designs. They're Christmas, winter, holiday themed, and I will talk with you tomorrow. Bye, lovelies.